I am basing my eyes with the LA Girl concealer. Fluffy brush. To blend my base. One color eyeshadow look today. I'm using Milani, the Beautiful Nightmare palette. This is what it looks like. I'm using this color. It's a blue. It's a shimmer blue with a black base. And I used the palette yesterday and did like 4 or 5 color eyeshadow look, and I used the blue, but the blue skipped. And if you watch that video, I explained why I think it skipped. So I wanted to try it on its own. So I'm trying it on its own to see how it performs. So this is what I'm doing. Today is a good day. I don't know how many people have vertigo, but if you do get vertigo, you know what I'm talking about. It's almost 2 weeks now, and that happens to me whenever I shampoo my hair. Water always seems to get into my eardrum, and that puts my equilibrium off. And it's not a good feeling. But you do what you gotta do and move on. My husband got me earplugs a while back. I do put it when I wash my hair, but it makes me feel like I'm not hearing anything, you know. And I like to sing, I like to dance, I'm shampooing my hair in the shower. I'm having a good old time, you know. So I can't hear myself do these things with the earplug, so I don't. My doctor tell me I should put a little bit of Vaseline right in the outer section of my ears and put a little piece of cotton ball. I do that sometimes, but then the cotton comes out while I'm washing my hair, the movement shifts it, it's annoying. So I just take a chance all the time and shampoo my hair, and I shampoo my hair at least 2 to 3 times a week sometimes. I'm a lazy natural, so I don't do much with my hair. So the water does get in, and once I'm finished shampooing, I usually take a Q-tip and I clean, you know, get it out. But this time, I didn't do it right away, and it just sat in my eardrum, so that gives me vertigo and makes me dizzy. This time it was for a longer period of time. I should have paid more attention to it. But I am good today. Today is a good day. Much better than the last 2 weeks. So I am here to help encourage the next person, because we all need help in our journey of life. So if you're feeling down today, if you love makeup and you have palettes, pull one out, create something beautiful, because you are beautiful. You are beautiful. We are doing one color eyeshadow. I just want to see how this works. Now this is what it looks like with the brush. I'm going to use my finger and see if I can give it a little bit more life. It's not supposed to be a bright shimmer, because remember, this is like the Halloween color. But just to add more depth, I'm going to use my finger. This also has a little shift in it, it looks like. So it's just how it is. It's a beautiful little palette, I must say. It is nice. It's just that I was surprised how it skipped on the base I use, but now I'm using it on its own and it performs very good. That's why I wanted to give it a second chance to see. really nice. This is a really nice color. I'm loving it. Very pretty. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. Very pretty color. Liquid liner, eye method. I am back with today's complete look. Single eyeshadow look on hooded eyes. I am telling you, I am really loving this color. I thought it skipped on the video before this, but I think it was the base, because now I use it single by itself with a different base, and it is beautiful. Love it. This is the palette again, and it is by Milani. And again, I use this color. That's it right here. That is it right here. Very pretty. I love it. I am enjoying these little palettes. This is my blush from Tammy X and Makeup Revolution, the second collab. I use the orange and the highlighter. I love this little highlighter. The blush is gorgeous, and the highlighter is just so nice. I don't do highlighters every day, but since I pulled this palette out, I've been doing highlight. I've been using the highlighter all the time. So this two right here, I am loving. Gorgeous. Now we are ready for the word of today. I am telling you, I am feeling fantastic. No vertigo. I am good. Oh, my lip is the Wet n Wild multi-stick and a black liner. How cute is this? This lip is perfect with this eye. Ooh, I am on fire today, people. Not that I'm not always on fire, but today I am lit, lit, lit. And the name of this multi-stick is Blue Lala. Blue Lala is the name of this. It is so quiet today. No grass cutting, no maintenance, nothing is happening around me today. It's just pure quiet. So I am going to read from this Pocket Positives just to change up a thing or two. You know, every now and then I move from one book to the next, and whatever comes up I talk about. But I am here to encourage me and you. So this is what I like to do on this channel. Makeup, get ready with me, and a message of encouragement to help us to go out and live our best life, because life is short. Today I am reading from the section that says Problems Are for Solving, and it is by M. Scott Peck, and it says, problems call forth our courage and our wisdom. Indeed, they create our courage and our wisdom. It is only because our problems that we grow mentally and spiritually. It is through the pain of confronting and resolving problems that we learn. Meditate on the message today. Always remember, self is first. Love self plenty. Take care of self. And I love to leave you with an encouraging word, because life is hard. And a little bit of encouragement every single day helps us along the way. You are not alone. The message is for me and all of us. Never think you're alone. You are never alone. And when you think you don't see you, you do. You do see you. You just have to be patient with yourself and stop beating yourself up too much. Because all that beating up ourselves make us feel less than we are. We are all important in our own little special way in this big universe. And we just have to know that. Life is short. Go out, live it well, live it happy, solve your problems along the way. But don't stop moving. Don't stop enjoying life. Again, Simply You Makeup is saying to go out and live your fabulous self. Fabulous. Bye.